I'm going to get a lot of beef and hate for this, but I don't care. Fall in the trap of being a TikTok shop creator because it's going to kill your business and it's going to kill your account as a brand. I'll make sure you watch to the very end and don't cry. Are you sick and tired of seeing what used to be your favorite content creators now looking like a QVC channel? It seems like every other post now is a shameless plug for yet another product that people are advertising, which they don't even get much commission for. So say you're advertising on TikTok Shop all the time. Imagine I was Gordon Ramsay and I had a secret interview with one of your followers.
I used to love their account for originality and connect with them. And now I'm just bombarded with adverts. I've lost all connection with them. And I just feel with every post they do, there's a hidden ulterior motive for me to try and buy the products advertising.
That's because it's exactly what they're doing. Then I interview an influencer who is selling TikTok products. Known for my... Yeah, well, I used to be known for my creativity, but now I'm just like another salesperson. Now I used to take a step back and think about the long-term effects of continuously promoting TikTok shop products. Yes, it makes some decent money at the moment. But like all good things don't last forever. Remember when TikTok was all about trends? Notice now TikTok is trying to compete with YouTube, with landscape videos and 30-minute videos. And there's you been doing your TikTok shop posts because TikTok were boosting these posts. Continuously catering to the algorithm with its constant changes. Are you sacrificing yourself to be authentic with your audience by connecting with them, which is going to ruin you as a personal brand? You are also training your audience and the algorithm only engage with promotional content, meaning you have trained algorithms so much about your content because it knows you push out promotional shop posts all the time. If you ever decide to change your niche and go back to being a personal brand again, your posts are not going to get shown to the right people. Because they're not going to get shown to the right people, your posts are not going to get any reach or engagement because people are used to you spamming their feeds with TikTok shop content. And what baffles me about this is all these people keep pushing and pushing products, trying to sell at the time. Imagine if you had the same enthusiasm and put in the same effort if you were talking about your own products and services and think of how much money you would make from them because you're not given a commission to TikTok for it. Promoting TikTok shop content also is going to ruin your creativity. You're going to forget and lose so many unique awesome skills that you had. So using the TikTok shop feature can make you some bacon. Can't deny that. But if you want to succeed in the long term, and it is all about the long game, because he or she lasts the longest wins, is it actually worth it? So if you want to make the change and want to change the pattern of constant product promotion, instead focus on being authentic, creativity, here are some pointers for you. First one is know your audience enjoys about your content, or check out your previous content before you made this shift. Are you there for entertainment, education, humor, inspiration, and to tailor your content for their needs and preferences? And if you're confused about this, just ask them via polls on your stories using the stories feature. Next tip is you can diversify your content. So instead of solely focusing on promotional content, diversify your content by incorporating a variety of different topics. This could also be challenges and authentic storytelling, sharing elements of your day as well and what you do, getting people to connect with you, making you feel like more like a human. The personal brand, which is what you are your brand, and people buy into you. It gives you a chance to showcase your personality and creativity. Being authentic with your engagement is also a key factor in developing your brand and connecting with your audience. And what you should do is interact with your audience in genuine ways by responding to comments, ask for feedback, involve them in your content creation process. And you can use the TikTok Live feature to help you with this. Being a strong connection with your followers and your audience while being authentic and generally saying how you feel, transparent, lead to long-term loyalty. And these people will always back you up on your posts, always be there for you, always invest in your products and services, even when the algorithms change and views are down. So I know we're into selling, but you should also be creating value of some kind. That goes beyond to your audience just promoting products and items. Useful tips, tutorials, hacks, gems, secret features, solo experiences, tools you use, things that you find really helpful in your life, which make things a bit easier. Simply just entertaining with funny, engaging content, or even a bit of drama. So create value by creating content that just resonates with your ideal follower. You can be lots of different things: inspirational, funny, motivating, inspiring, helpful, thought-provoking. You can provide promotion with creativity. So if you choose to promote products, find ways to integrate them naturally with your content. Can the sell the main focus, or there's sort of like some ulterior motive going on? Be transparent, sponsored content, sponsored posts. And just ensure that it aligns with your values, your beliefs, and your interests and your hobbies. Because once trust is broken, it's very hard to get it back. Now, if you don't want to sell TikTok shop items as much or anymore, then why don't you venture into the world of selling digital products? Digital products can be a range of lots of different things. It could be courses, it could be ebooks, it could be masterclasses, templates, it could be cheat sheets, it could be presets, it could be a challenge. If you're in your business to make extra income, especially if it aligns with your interests and your business or your passion. If you don't want to do any of the things I suggested, you could even just do a monthly subscription in some kind of group or members hub. By leveraging your skills and knowledge, generate income while maintaining creative control. Ensure you stay true to yourself. Don't compromise your values, your ethos, and your beliefs for the sake of views in algorithm success. This includes financial gain. Stay true to your unique voice, style, and perspective. Being authentic is the key to build a genuine connection with people. And people will know when you've got an ulterior motive, and people will know when you're being fake and sleazy. What you post and your content says a lot more about you and what you want more than you actually think. Taking breaks from promotion can really help you get back and connecting with your audience as well. Give yourself time and your audience a break from constant promotions. And you can do this by scheduling periods of time. Focus on solely creating non-promotional content, which highlights your creativity, your passion, and what you used to be all about. You can also on lives a lot more to connect with your audience and not do any content at all, just chat to your loyal followers or tribe. So by implementing these tips and not falling into the trap, creators and business owners can shift their focus, enslave algorithm, constant content production to promote products, to prioritize being authentic, creativity, building meaningful connections with their audience on TikTok, which is what social media and being a personal brand and making money online is really all about. So if things don't quite work out, don't forget you can always start fresh with a new account and implement the tips and advice I've given you to make sure your new account goes on the right growth path. Advertising TikTok shop, or are you going to make change? Let me know in the comments.